Hello there everyone on the internet. Hope you all are doing well. I'm Vikas Tiwari and welcome to Programmers Mode. In this video, I will reveal some amazing and free websites that will help you to create a resume for yourself. Also, I will show you that there are no hidden charges within it by simply creating and exporting the resume on respective websites. Also, in the end, I will share some tips with you which will help you to save your time and boost your efficiency. So, let's get started. So our first website is resume.com. Here I will click on create my resume, and here say I will skip this part and I will simply choose one template. Here I will fill some dummy details, and simply I will here import some dummy details as it doesn't allow us to export our PDF without having at least 35 words. So here I will click on download PDF. Here I will sign up with Google. At this path I will save my resume. So I saved it and I will open now. So here you can see I have successfully built my resume and exported it. Our second website is buildresume.learncodeonline.in. Yes, here also you have some amazing templates with you with which you can download your resume for free. So here I will select one resume. Simply you have to click on this icon to edit it. Simply you have to click here to download it. So let's open this and take a look how it actually looks. It has a perfect formatting as it seems here in template view. So now let's move to the next website. Next website is rxresu.me. I will click here, go to app, and simply click here to create your new resume. Here I have randomly assigned a name. I will open it. Here I will choose any one template for myself, and here you can fill all the dummy data, and accordingly you can see the changes here. As you can see here I will put some gibberish, like you can add everything that is required here, and like this you can fill all the sections here. And by just simply filling all these sections you have to go to actions, and here you have to export your resume. So here I will click here cause it is of single page, and I will export. It will take some time to get exported. Now I will save this and will open and see how it looks like. So as you can see the way it looks like here in preview section, it is similarly exported in a PDF form. So let's move to the next website. So next website is canva.com. Okay, so here simply write resume. Here simply you will be able to select like ample of free templates available for you to use. As I hover on these cards, you can see whether it is free or not. So as you can see in the bottom right, it is showing free. So I will select it, and I will simply try to download it without even sign up or logging in. So I will download it. Yeah, I will save it. Let's open it how it looks like. As you can see here, without watermark you can download this resume for free. And as you are aware, there are pro membership of Canva also, where you can do many more things with the pro membership. So here we can also get that pro membership for free. How? By using GitHub's student development pack. So if you want more information to get the pro membership of that, the link is given in description below. Here you just have to search for student developer pack in GitHub. So I will just click on it and I will show you from where you can pick that Canva pro membership. So from here you can pick this up. So let's move to the next website. So lastly, what you can do is you can create your LinkedIn profile. Once you create your LinkedIn profile, you have to build all this section by your own. You have to keep building this with regular interval of time as you proceed with one certification, or you done sort of internships or some voluntary experience or any skills, anything what you have gained, you can mention here on daily basis of your achievement, and at the end wherever it is required, you can simply click on more and click on this save to PDF. So here you will be able to save your profile in a PDF form in your rushing times, and you can submit this as your resume. For today that is all. We will meet again in next video with an amazing and interesting topic. I hope you have find this video helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your mates. Until then, take care and thanks for listening.